It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mark out your lines in order for you to staple your cabinet together. I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods, and I'll be showing you how to mark out the side and also the back. Using our first method here, it's just going to be a simple pencil and using then your finger as a guide. So what you'll do is you'll bring your pencil over here to the side, use your finger as a guide, and just kind of gauge the center of your cabinet back. And then you can just run your pencil across like so. Now another method is using a speed square, and then if you look at your speed square, it has all of these divots here. It actually has their own scribe lines. So what you can go ahead and do is just put your speed square here on the cabinet side, and you'll find your 1/2 inch mark here on the side, and then your pencil will just ride in that groove as you move across your side of your cabinet. Now, the third option is using our Cabinet Joint Inset Scribe jig. We have an overlay one coming soon, but for this application, you can go ahead and use this inset jig for both overlay and inset. But what you want to do is just go ahead. The back of your jig has this little shoulder. You can rest that here on the side of the cabinet, and then using the first hole on your jig, the first line of holes, you can just go ahead and put your pencil there in the hole, and then ride that hole as you go across. And then from there, you can go ahead and staple your side together. Now moving on to our cabinet back, I need to preface with the fact that our cabinet backs will come pre-manufactured with these holes where the groove is, which is where the bottom or the top of the cabinet will then meet the back. So what I'm about to show you, probably will never need to use it, but maybe there's a random once in a million occasion where you would need to go ahead and mark it out for your staples. So I'm gonna use the same 3 methods. One is just going ahead using your finger as a guide and then making that mark as you go down. Method number 2 would be using your speed square, except this time put your pencil in the 1 1/4 groove. And then lastly, you're going to be using our jig once again, but instead of using that first set of holes, you're going to be using the second set of holes. With that being said, using those lines or using those holes there on your cabinet back, you can go ahead and staple your back onto your top and bottom. And that is how you mark out your cabinet back and sides for your staples. Now, these marks are getting you to the center of the adjacent piece. So these marks are getting you to the center of the back, and then the marks here on the back are getting you to the center of your cabinet top and bottom. So it's important that as you're stapling, you are stapling straight into your piece. You're not doing it at a weird angle, or otherwise there's potential for your staples to go through into your finished cabinet interior. So you want to avoid that. So as long as you are using those marks and then stapling straight into your cabinet, you won't run into any issues. If you have any questions or further concerns, you can go ahead and reach out to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you guys for watching.